In this video, I'll show you how to connect Platinum Karaoke to your LG TV. Step 1. Identify connection ports. Locate the audio-video out ports. RCA yellow for video, red, white for audio on the Platinum Karaoke machine. Find corresponding input ports, the HDMI, AV or component, on your LG TV. Step 2. Connect the cables. Use RCA AV cables. Connect yellow, red and white plugs from Platinum Karaoke outports to TV's inports. If your TV only has HDMI, use an RCA to HDMI converter. Step 3. Choose the correct input. Power on TV and karaoke machine. Press input or source on your remote. Select AV, HDMI or the input used for the connection. Step 4. Start singing and adjust. You can now play a karaoke track to test both audio and video on your TV. Adjust the volume and picture settings as needed for best experience. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments down below. Bye.